Okay, so welcome muli sa ating channel. This time we're going to discuss how to solve exponential equations. Let's have some examples. Say we have 3 raised to x is equal to 27. Okay, so before we can solve exponential equations, meron lang tayong dapat tandaan. First, kailangan gawin nating nasa exponential form yung both sides of the equation. Say for example, yung 3 raised to x, ito nasa exponential form na. Ibig sabihin, meron kang makikitang base, at the same time meron kang makikitang exponent. So doon mo pala masasabing nasa exponential form siya. Sunod, kailangan para ma-solve natin yung exponential equations, kailangan pareho yung kanilang bases. Okay? Ngayon, pagka pareho na yung kanilang bases, pwede natin equate na yung kanilang exponents. Okay? So, gawin natin. Simulan natin dito sa given equation, 3 raised to x is equal to 27. So, yung first equation natin, meron tayong makikita dito na exponential form wherein nasa left side siya, 3 raised to x. Ngayon, yung nasa right side, which is 27, hindi pa siya naka-exponential form. So, kailangan gawin natin tong exponential form wherein yung kanyang base dapat is also 3. Ngayon, kung ang base niya is 3, what should be its exponent para maging 27? Okay, so we have 3 cubed or 3 raised to the third power, because 3 cubed is 27. Okay, that is 3 cubed is 3 times 3 times 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore 3 cubed is 27. So pagka pareho na lang yung kanilang bases, pwede na natin equate yung exponents. So x is equal to 3. So ito na yung ating solution. So ito yung value natin for x, which is 3. Let us check using the original equation, which is 3 raised to x is equal to 27. We're going to plug in 3 in x dito sa original equation natin, magiging 3 cubed. And 3 cubed is equal to 27. Therefore, tama yung sagot natin, wherein x is equal to 3. Next, let's say 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 32. So we have exponential form in the left side of the equation, which is 2 raised to x plus 1. Ngayon, yung 32 gagawin din natin in exponential form, wherein yung gagamitin nating base should also be 2. Okay? So, if the base is 2, what should be its exponent to get 32? Okay, so that is 2 to the 5th. Because 2 to the 5th is the same as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 is 8, times 2 is 16, times 2 is 32. Okay, so 2 to the 5th is 32. So dahil pareho na lang ito ng bases, pareho na yung mga bases no both sides of the equation, so we can equate the exponents. So x plus 1 is equal to 5. Then we're going to move positive 1 to the right side of the equation. That is x is equal to 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1 is 4. Therefore x is equal to 4. Let us check using the original equation. 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 32. So let us plug in 4 in our equation, which is 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 32. So 2 raised to the 4 plus 1, or 2 raised to 4 plus 1 is equal to 32. And 4 plus 1 is 5. So 2 raised to the 5th is equal to 32. Okay. X. So you have 4 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 8. Dito kaya ano yung pwede natin gamitin basis? Pwede bang gamitin yung 4 as the basis? Kung 4 yung base natin dito sa right side, ano yung magiging exponent niya? If it is 2, hindi siya pwede kasi 4 square is 16, not 8. So dito, hindi natin pwedeng gamitin basis yung 4. Okay? So instead of 4, we're going to think of the base na pwede sa dalawang side ng equation. Okay? So pwede dito sa left and right member of the equation. Ano kaya yon? Okay, so ang base natin na pwedeng gamitin is 2. Okay? So we have 2 square which is equal to 4 and 2 cube is also equal to 8. Okay? So ang ginamit natin base dito pareho sa both sides of the equation is 2. 8. 2 square is 4, 2 cube is 8. Ngayon, dahil pareho na yung kanilang bases, which is 2, then we can equate the exponents. So that is 2 times the quantity x minus 1 is equal to 3. Then dito sa left side of the equation, using the distributive property, distribute natin yung 2 dun sa binomial. 2 times 2 or 2 times x rather, 2 times x is 2x and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So, bali magiging ganito, 2x minus 2 is equal to 3. Then lipat natin yung negative 2 to the right side of the equation, becomes 2x is equal to 3 plus 2 and 3 plus 2 is 5. Then to solve for x, we're going to divide both sides of the equation by the numerical coefficient of x, which is 2. So, ang gagamitin natin divisor dito is 2. Divide natin both sides of the equation by 2. So, kung ika-cancel natin yung 2, magiging sagot natin is x is equal to 5 over 2. Let us check kung tama yung sagot natin na x is equal to 5 over 2. Using the original equation, 4 raised to x minus 1 is equal to 8. So let us plug in 5 over 2 dun sa x. So 4 raised to 5 over 2 minus 1 is equal to 8. Then 4 raised to 5 over 2 minus 2 over 2. Bakit 2 over 2? Kasi kapareho siya nung dapat pareho yung kanilang denominator. Ito yung tinatawag nating similar fractions. Yung 1 is the same as 2 over 2 kasi 2 divided by 2 is 1. Okay? Then it is equal to 8. Then, simplify natin yung mga fractions. Subtract natin. That is 4 raised to 3 over 2. So 5 minus 2 is 3. Then copy the denominator which is 2. So 4 raised to 3 over 2 is equal to 8. Then, gagawin lang natin from exponential form, gagawin natin to radical form. So ano yung radical form ng 4 raised to 3 over 2? That is the square root of 4 cube. Paano yun? Pagka kinonvert natin from exponential form to radical form, kung ano yung numerator ng fraction, yun ang magsisilbing exponent ng radical natin. At kung ano yung denominator ng fraction dito sa exponent, yun ang magiging index ng radical sign natin, which is 2. Ngayon, pagka 2 yung index natin, doon sa radical, hindi na natin nilalagay yung 2. Okay, understood na yung kanyang index is 2. And that is square root of 4 cube. And 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Therefore, 4 cubed is 64. So, the square root of 64 is 8. Therefore, tama yung sagot natin, which is x is equal to 5 over 2.